Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the SHEIN app. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your SHEIN application, and I'm assuming you've already logged in into your account. So I'm just going to go over the basics very thoroughly. So as you can see on the top, there is going to be your category section where you can choose kids, home, curve, lingerie, jewelry, sports bags, office toys, and many more that you can purchase from. When you like something, you can simply go ahead and select it and click on add to cart right over here. And once you go ahead and add to cart by choosing the size, it's going to go to the cart on the top right, and you can simply go ahead and check out by clicking right over here. That is about it when it comes to understanding about SHEIN. You can also go ahead and add your payments and stuff on your Me tab right over here in the wallet. You can also go ahead and have your cards linked as well. There are also going to be all your orders right over here on paid, processing, or shipped when you click on my orders right over here. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see